Hi, my name's Harry Dewulf, and I help people learn how to write fiction. At its core, an author's work is always about creating an experience for the reader. As an author, your attention should always be focused on what the reader is thinking and feeling, on what it feels like to be the reader reading your book. Many authors are rightly preoccupied with the reader's relationship with characters and how this is affected by their choices in narrative style and technique. Authors, creative writing teachers, editors, and inevitably readers obsess over a technique called point of view, POV for short, which is supposedly a means of giving the reader an experience that is as close as possible to the experience of the character. This sounds like a valid goal because it is a valid goal, but it isn't the only way to create a relationship between reader and character, and worse, used on its own, POV isn't very effective. In this course, you can learn the other 5 techniques that can work together with POV or be alternatives to it. These techniques are nothing new, and once you've done this course, I hope you'll research them and deepen your knowledge further. My main aim is to introduce you to a more comprehensive way of thinking about your reader's relationship with the characters in your book, and show you just a small part of the variety available to you in narrative techniques to give your reader an intense and compelling experience.